Ever wondered why some brands seem to be everywhere online? Why you can't escape their ads, their posts, or their content? It's not magic or coincidence. It's digital marketing, a powerful tool that businesses use to reach customers in the vast digital landscape. Picture this. In 2021, the small, family-owned business Bake My Day was struggling. Operating out of a small town in Ohio, their delightful cupcakes and pastries were loved locally, but they were barely making enough to keep the business afloat. They knew they needed a wider audience to survive, and that's when they turned to digital marketing. They started by creating a website and listing their products online. They used search engine optimization to make sure anyone searching for cupcakes near me or best pastries in Ohio would find them. They then hopped onto social media, sharing mouth-watering images of their creations and engaging with followers. They also used targeted ads to reach potential customers beyond their small town. The result? In just 1 year, their sales skyrocketed by 200%, and they even started shipping their products across the country. The magic wand that transformed their business was digital marketing. So, what can we glean from the Bake My Day story? Firstly, digital marketing can level the playing field. It doesn't matter if you're a small, family-owned business or a multinational corporation. With the right strategies, you can reach a wide audience and compete with larger businesses. Secondly, it's not enough to simply have a digital presence. You need to use SEO to ensure potential customers can find you when they search for products or services you offer. Thirdly, social media isn't just for sharing vacation snaps and cute cat videos. It's a powerful tool for businesses to engage with customers, build relationships, and promote products. Lastly, targeted ads are key. They allow you to reach potential customers who are likely to be interested in your products, even if they are outside your immediate geographical area. In conclusion, digital marketing is a powerful tool that can transform a business. It levels the playing field, helps businesses reach a wide audience, and allows for direct engagement with customers. When used correctly, it can lead to increased visibility, higher sales, and business growth. And that, my friends, is the power of digital marketing.